Man, I didn't take no sneak peeks or nothing. South Beaches. I'm excited for these, y'all. Man, Nike sneakers kept pushing them back. I kept getting nervous, man. I had to cop mine early, man. For real. So let's see what we got. They already come with the pink laces. Okay. Hey. Alright, got a little dirt on them underneath the sole. Nice, y'all. These look nice. Yeah, somebody probably, you probably just tried them on. Damn. Look at these motherfuckers, man. What this toe box feel like? Oh, they still got that same material that you can easily scratch. Still got that same material, but it's crazy. These crazy. They seem less puffy than the first ones. Yes, I will be wearing these motherfuckers for sure. First chance I get. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make me sick shirt to match these. Stay tuned. Before the black laces came, the black laces was the ones that was here. Now the pink ones is already laced up. Hype did that. Yeah. Stay tuned. I'm definitely going on a few of these.